Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all. Welcome to Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School Time. Dear students, today we are going to start exercises of chapter 17, Religion and Languages. So you all open your books and come on page number 69. But here, first of all, we take a quick review about this chapter. Culture. Students, culture is a difficult word. It means the development of all the abilities of human beings. The culture of a country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, science, foods, arts, including literature, architecture, painting, music, dance, and handicrafts. So today we can look back on our past and feel proud of belonging to a country with such a wonderful culture. And you know that people from all over the world admire our culture and traditions. So here you see the what is a culture? Culture is the values, beliefs, behavior, and material objects that form a people way of life. What is a culture? Culture means the values, beliefs, behavior, and materials objects that form a people way of life. Next is religion. Students, our country is called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Nearly 96% of the population are Muslims, and the other 4% are people of other faiths, including Christians, Buddhists, Hindus, Sikhs, Parsis, but every Pakistani is free to follow his or her faith. Students, you know that Islam is the religion of peace and mercy, and Islam is the true message of Allah. There are many Islamic countries as Islam has spread to all parts of the world. The followers of Islam are called Muslims, and Muslims believe that there is only one God called Allah. And Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last messenger of Allah. The Holy Quran was revealed to him, and Muslims believe that all people are equal before Allah. They also believe that those who follow the teachings of the Quran and do good, and others will be rewarded when they die with an afterlife in paradise. And the 4% of other religions are Hinduism. The first one is Hinduism. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world. Hindus praise in a temple. Next is Christianity. People who follow the teaching of Jesus Christ, and it means Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, are called Christians. Next is Sikhism. Sikhism is a religion preached by a saint called Guru Nanak, and the Sikh worship or pray in a temple called a Gurdwara. Next is Buddhism. The founder of Buddhism was Gautama Buddha. He was a prince who lived in India about 2500 years ago. Zoroastrianism. Parsis follow the teachings of their prophet Zoroaster. Their holy book is called the Avesta. But the true religion is the only Islam, because Islam is the religion of peace and mercy, and in Pakistan 96% people are Muslims. Next is languages of Pakistan. Students, Urdu is the national language of Pakistan, but many different languages can speak people also. They learn to speak their mother tongue at home and Urdu at school. Quite a number of people in the large towns and cities also learn English. Apart from English and Urdu, the most common languages spoken in Pakistan are Punjabi, Pashto, Balochi, Hindko, Seraiki, Gujarati. So these are the provincial or other languages of Pakistan. But the national language is Urdu. Urdu is our national language and is widely spoken and understood across the country. But English is spoken and written in school, colleges, and offices. It is the official medium in Pakistan for communication with the outside world. Dialect. What is a dialect? A dialect is a variety of language spoken by a group of people that is characterized by systematic features that distinguish it from other varieties of that same language. Everyone speaks a dialect. Here you see explain what is meant by dialect. These are regional variation of a language as spoken in a particular area by a particular group of people. If anyone asks you what is a dialect, so you know that these are really regional variations of a language as spoken in a particular area by a particular group of people. A dialect is an offshoot of a major language. For example, Hindko is spoken by a people who have a Pathan background, hail from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So you know that what is a dialect? Dialect, these are regional variations of a language as spoken in a particular area by a particular group of people. Like in a desert of Pakistan, like Sindh, the people of eastern Sindh speak Thari. So this type of language is called dialect. So now let's start exercise. Our first exercise is question and answers. So our first question is explain in your own words what is meant by culture. So question number 1 is explain in your own words what is meant by culture. Answer is culture is the way people live, dress, speak, eat and behave in general. What is meant by culture? Culture is the way people live, dress, speak, eat, and behave in general. This is your question number 1. Question number 2 is what are some of the things that make up the culture of the country? Question number 2 is what are some of the things that make up the culture of the country? Answer is the culture of the country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, science, food, arts, including literature, architecture, painting, music, dance, and handicrafts. Again, I repeat, the culture of the country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, science, food, arts, including literature, architecture, painting, music, dance, and handicrafts. Question number 3. In which book would you find the teaching of Jesus Christ? Question number 3 is in which book would you find the teachings of Jesus Christ? Answer is we would find the teachings of Jesus Christ in the Bible. We would find the teachings of Jesus Christ in the Bible. Question number 4. What is Gurdwara? Answer is 6. Worship or pray in a temple called Gurdwara. What is Gurdwara? Sikh worship or pray in a temple called Gurdwara. You have another answer also. If you want to write this one, it's okay. It is a place of worship in the Sikh religion. It is a place of worship in the Sikh religion. So students, these are the question answers in this chapter. So your on work page exercise A is complete the word puzzle. You try to complete by yourself, but here I share the answers. But first of all, you do it by yourself. The first one is the national language of Pakistan. You know that Urdu. Second is a language taught in a big towns and city, English. Third one is the religion of 96% Pakistanis, Islam. Hindus worship here, temple. Number five, Muslims pray here, mosque or masjid. Number six, Christians place of worship, church. And number seven, the holy book of Parsis, Avesta. So your work page exercise A. Work page exercise B is fill in the blanks. Number one, the sacred book of the Muslims is called the dash. Number one, the sacred book of the Muslims is called the Holy Quran. Number two, Sikhism was preached by dash. Sikhism was preached by Guru Nanak. Number three, dash follow the teachings of Zoroaster. Parsis follow the teachings of Zoroaster. Number four, the main language of Balochistan is Balochi. The main language of Balochistan is Balochi. Number five, Thari is a dash spoken by the people of Eastern Sindh. Thari is a dialect spoken by the people of Eastern Sindh. Number six, the dash contains the teachings of Jesus Christ. The Bible contains the teachings of Jesus Christ. Again, we repeat, the sacred book of the Muslims is called the Holy Quran. Number two, Sikhism was preached by Guru Nanak. Number three, Parsis follow the teachings of Zoroaster. Number five, the main language of Balochistan is Balochi. Number five, Thari is a dialect spoken by the people of Eastern Sindh. And number six, the Bible contains the teachings of Jesus Christ. This is exercise B on work page. I hope you understand all the question answers and plus work page exercises. Dear students, your homework is you read chapter 17, write questions and answers in notebook, and students can surely write their name in English first, then Pakistani write in Urdu, and other students write their home language. Like Egyptian, try to write in Arabic. Sudanese try to write in their own language. So you must be, this is your homework like activity. You write it and share on WhatsApp group. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. Okay, dear students, best of